Hi, today I will show you how to connect OpenAI to Base44. First, get OpenAI API key. Simply sign up or log into OpenAI's developer portal, create a new API key in your OpenAI account dashboard, then add OpenAI integration in Base44. So step 2 is navigating to Base44, then logging in using your user credentials, and you will see this page where you'll have to click on integration option. Now search for OpenAI. Now choose OpenAI text to image. When you click here, you'll have to click on use this integration. Now you will see one integration, that is OpenAI. Now simply paste the OpenAI API key when prompted. After this, configure and test your AI integration. So define the prompts or commands in your Base44 app that will use OpenAI. Test the integration by running sample queries or actions to ensure OpenAI response work as expected, and once tested, your app can fully utilize OpenAI capabilities for natural language processing, content generation, chatbots, and more within Base44. Also, if you prefer no-code automation, integrate Base44 with OpenAI via Zapier to connect triggers and actions easily without coding. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.